Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to learn a very exciting topic called slices in Go language. Slices are very good and a unique concept in Go language that is little bit related to array. And we can say that slices are the small part of array. So in this video, we will learn how we can create slices and how slices is different from array. In previous video, I have explained about array and how we can create array in Go language. In this video, we will learn how we can create slices and how the slices is different from array. So in the previous video, we have learned that we create array like this. Here I just pass the value 3 as a limit of the array. The size of the array is 3. That means this num is the array that is going to store value 3. And if I declare like this as num and I say int, so this is called the slices, and you see how they are different. Just we have the printf here, and in printf I just explain the type of this, and I say num type, and then I print the s slice type. I save it and I try to run it, and you see that this is the array. It's displaying the 3 as a size, and this is blank empty is a slice. So we can have /n also here, and we try to display again, and you see this is the slices information and this is the array information. That this is array type because there is a size and there is no size, that means slices. And if I want to display the value of these, for example, I want to display the value println of num means array, and I also want to display the information of slices. You see the differences between these two, and I run it. The first one is an array, so it is saying that 3 is a size. Second one is a slices, it's saying that there is no size because we have not given any size. Slice have no size. Now you see some more features here. In num we can pass value by index like this, 1 num index 1, then 2, and num at index 2 we have a value 3 like this, and I run it. You see now in place of array we have a value, but the same thing I can't do here because we have a 0 index here and we can't pass value to this. Save it and I run it. You see error. Why? Because the range of this is 0. We have not given size, and in slices also we can't give size. So what we can do now? We can append value. We cannot initialize the value, but we can append. How we can append? We say like this. If I want to add 1 here, I say snum equal to append, and here snum, and I want to pass the num1 here like this, and I save it. And you see that I can append the value and I have a 1 here. You see I have a 1. So in slices we have to append the value, but in array we can't append. If I do here the num in place of slices, if I use the num, you see the error is coming because we can't append the value in array. You see we can't append because append is always work on slices, because slices have a no size limit, but array have a maximum size limit is 3, so we can't change it. So if more value I want to add in the slices, I can add this also. You see I can add one more value like this, 1 3, and I run it again. So like this. So we can slice the so much of value in slices, no limit, whatever you want to add, but here in array there is a limit. So we have seen the difference between the slices and the array. Now we will give more focus on the slices. So here we have a slices. So we can initialize also slices like this. We can initialize it like this. I say int and I initialize here 1, 2, 4, 5 like this. 4 value I have initialized. And now if I try to run it, you will see that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 1, 2, 4, 5 is from here, and 1, 3 we have added after using append function. So we can do like this initialization in slices, and we can use for loop also for adding the value in slices in append function. So what can I do? I can use for loop also like this. I say I equal to 1 and I less than 5, I plus plus like this, and I can append the value here. Just cut it and here I paste it. Only one I need, and now I can pass here I save it and I run it, and you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4 we can add by using for loop also. So this is the way to create slices and initialize the slices. One more way we can initialize the slices and we can create a slices like this. I can say where new slice like this, and I say equal to, then we have an array num, then I can put the range of the array like this, that I want here that we have the 3 limit of this array, and I want from 0 to 3 all the element should come in slices, new slice. So that can I also do. How can I do? Just I try to print it here first, new slice, you see, and I save it and I run it. You see that we have 1, 2, 3 here, sorry, we have 2 or 3 because index start from the 0, so we are initializing value from the 1. So 1 is 2 and second is 3. So we are initializing this from 1 to 3. If all value I want to initialize, just do blank here, don't provide a range, and I try to run again. You see that arrays and slice both have a same value. So I can give here that suppose if I want to initialize only the third value I want to pass, so I can say 2 to 3, so it will initialize only 3. You see, it will initialize only 3. So by giving a range here we can create slices, because I said you that slices is the part of a array. So this way we can also initialize slices. So from the array we can create slices, directly we can initialize slices, and one more way we can do slices are, just I use it again, this slices I can take one more slice, that I say where, and I say make slice, and here I use make keyword like this, and using make keyword I just here pass the type of the slice, that is int or maybe string, and the size of the slice like this. So I say that I am creating a slice of make slice name, and that is initializing initially 3 value, and this 3 will become here. So if I try to execute it, it will be the first line, and you will see here if I say make slice and I try to run it, it will display 0, 0, 0. You see 3 times, because we have initialized it memory but we are not giving a value. So those value we can also give here like this, make slice 0 index like a array, and I say 10. Then again I can just copy paste and pass other values also like this. I say at 1 index I want 20, and on 2 index I want 30 like this, and I save it, and you see now this 0, 0 will replace from 10, 20 and 30. And I can add one more also if I want to add one more. So how can I add? I can add make slice equal to append make slice, and I can add the 40 like this, and I run it again, and you see that we have a separate value also, 40 also. So we have a 3-way to create slices, and we have learned the comparison between array and slices also. If we provide here size, it becomes the array. If we do not provide a size, it becomes the slices. Slices we can slice like an array, and slices we can create from the array by passing a range, and slices we can make by using a make function. So these are the ways to create slices, and we have learned that slices and array have some differences but have some similarities also. Both are just like a same, but in array we have a fixed size, in slices we do not have a fixed size. We can create slices from array also, and we can slice slices like a array, and we can use make also to create slices. So these are the way to create slices, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.